Hey guys, we're making a Masala chai concentrate. Masala chai is a spiced black tea with milk, and with this concentrate we'll make a chai latte and an iced chai. So let's get started. In a large pot we're adding 4 cinnamon sticks, 2 star anise pods, a half teaspoon of whole peppercorns, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a half teaspoon of fennel seeds, half teaspoon of cloves, and 1 tablespoon of cardamom pods. I'm going to just crack these open with a mortar and pestle to help release their flavor before we add these into the pot with our other spices. Then I'm going to slice a few inches of fresh ginger that we're going to use just a little bit later. Now I'm going to toast these spices on a low-ish heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Doing this step will make the spices deeply aromatic. They'll also help really bring out and deepen the flavors as well. Constantly stir them around while toasting to avoid burning. Once the spices are done toasting, go ahead and add 4 cups of water and our sliced ginger to the pot. If you like chai lightly sweetened, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you like things on the sweeter side, add 4 to 5 tablespoons. You're just going to have to taste down the line and adjust to your liking. I'm going to give this a stir, put a lid on, and let it come up to a boil. You can see after just a few minutes we've already achieved a beautiful amber color. I'm going to lower the heat and add 4 black tea bags. Let this simmer for 15 to 20 minutes before taking it off the heat. If you want a really strong concentrate, let it hang out for a few hours before discarding the tea bags and spices. Make sure you tasted this first to check for flavor. Now we can transfer this to a container and let it cool in the fridge before use. But we have achieved a beautiful aromatic chai concentrate that we can use for a variety of chai-based drinks. Moving on to the chai latte, I'm going to foam about a cup of hot milk with my French press. I'm going to just motion this up and down until I get my foam-like consistency. I was too overzealous in this process, so I made almost all foam, so I just heated up more milk. I'm using about a 1-to-1 ratio of concentrate to milk and adding a dollop of foam on top. I'm also garnishing with a generous dusting of cinnamon, which is optional, but very welcomed here. And now we have a chai latte. Tasting it, the spices are lovely. They're all very present. They all come through nicely. They blend together beautifully. It's not too sweet, and I really appreciate that I was able to control the balance of flavor to my own liking. Moving on to the iced chai, I want a little bit of whipped cream, so I'm whipping up a little cream, a splash of vanilla extract, and a few dashes of sugar on a medium-high speed just for a few minutes until stiff peaks are formed. This step, of course, is optional, but homemade whipped cream just makes everything a little bit more special. Get yourself a glass of ice, and we're going to use a 2-to-1 ratio of concentrate to milk. We're going to use a little bit more concentrate here than we did our latte because I'm accounting for the ice to slightly melt down. Go ahead and give this a stir. And now we're going to pile a mountain high of fresh whipped cream on top. And then we're going to garnish with a ground cinnamon just like we did with our latte. Also optional. Now the great thing about making this concentrate is making it suited for your own tastes. You can adjust measurements, use different sweeteners, different milks, add or remove different spices. I think fresh vanilla bean and lemon peel would be great additions here. You could add allspice if you have it on hand, or remove the fennel and star anise if you aren't a fan of the licorice flavor. Get creative, find out what suits your taste buds best, and enjoy a truly delicious masala chai.